Right, 3 more to go. Let's do this. Okay, we have a bucket. Did we already do this one? It's all running together. I guess we didn't. If we have, we'll get extra practice. We have a bucket being swung in a circle at a constant velocity. Velocity is 2 meters per second. The radius is 0.7 meters. The mass is 5 kilograms. And they want to know the centripetal force. F equals ma. Centripetal force equals ma c. Centripetal force is v squared over r. So we can say this is m times v squared over r. So the mass is 5. The velocity is 2. Don't forget to square it. And the radius is 0.7. So in my calculator, I'm going to type 5 times 2 times 2, enter, divided by 0.7. There are other right ways to get it in your calculator. If your way gets you the right answer, you keep doing it. If it doesn't, do something else. Okay, so my answer rounds to 29 newtons. That's the way.